Menstrual cycle. The reproductive cycle in the female primates, example monkey, apes, and human beings, is called menstrual cycle. The first menstrual begins at puberty is called menarche. In human females, menstruation is repeated at an average interval of about 28 to 29 days. The cycle of events starting from one menstrual cycle till the next one is called menstrual cycle. The cycle of events starting from one menstrual cycle till the next one is called menstrual cycle. One ovum is released. Ovulation during the middle of each menstrual cycle. One ovum is released during the middle of each menstrual cycle. The major events of the menstrual cycle are shown in figure. The cycle starts with menstrual phase. When menstrual force occurs and it lasts for 3 to 5 days. The menstrual force results due to breakdown in endometrium lining of the uterus and its blood vessels, which form liquid that comes out through vagina. Menstrual only occur if the released ovum is not fertilized. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. However, it also be caused due to some underlying cause like stress, poor health, etc. The menstrual phase is followed by the follicular phase. During this phase, primary follicle in the ovary grow to become a fully mature Graafian follicle, and simultaneously the endometrium of uterus regenerates through proliferation. These changes in the ovary and the uterus are induced by the changes in the level of pituitary and ovarian hormone. These changes in the ovary and the uterus are induced by the change in the level of pituitary and ovarian hormone. The secretion of gonadotropin LH and FSH increase. The secretion of gonadotropin LH and FSH increase gradually during the follicular phase and stimulate follicle development, as well as secretion of estrogen by the growing follicle. Both LH and FSH attain at peak level in the middle of the cycle about 14 days. Rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid-cycle called LH surge induced rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby the release of ovum is called ovulation. The ovulatory phase is followed by the luteal phase, during which the remaining part of the Graafian follicle transferred into the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential for the maintenance of the endometrium. Such an endometrium is necessary for the implantation of the fertilized ovum and other events of pregnancy. During pregnancy, all events of menstrual cycle stop and there is no menstruation. In the absence of fertilization, the corpus luteum degenerates. This causes distinction of the endometrium leading to menstruation, marking a new cycle. In human being, menstrual cycle ceases around 50 years of age. This is termed as menopause. Cyclic menstruation is an indicator of normal reproductive phase and extent between menarche and menopause.